Jai Hind dosto, welcome to my channel Mr. Marine Geek. This is Swapnil Tamankar, Sailing Chief Engineer, and the topic for today's video is the how to upload your photos and signature such that you will not face any issues while verification for your e-learning and exit exams. The topic for today's video is the most important one. How are you supposed to do it? Why you are supposed to do it? We are going to follow the DGS order number 7 of 2021. The DGS order number 7 of 2021 has a lot of procedural changes, and there are some references made on DGS order number 27, DGS order number 31, DGS order number 37 of 2020. There are some things which has been cancelled. There are some references where even the server address where you are supposed to upload your photo and signature has been changed. There are even things in this order where the previous excerpts has been cancelled and only relevant paragraphs. So this makes it a very jumbled approach, as a person has to follow or has to download literally 4 or 5 PDF files to actually understand this tedious and cumbersome procedure. So this particular video is going to make your life very good, and your e-learning and exact exam experience is going to be very good. The DGS order number 7 of 2021 lists down the procedure for the photo updation and the signature updation. There are three different process for your photo updation and only one for your signature updation. So if you go and write the same numbers, the one given 220.156.188.229, you will not be able to open it, and hence you have to write HTTPS compulsorily. You will be able to see a warning. Just click on the advanced and scroll down and select that I accept the risk and continue, and then only you will be able to see the actual website. So this particular login and password over here is the same as you are getting for Indos and your Indos password. So once you log in, you will be able to see the tabs verify profile photo, and the next tab add photos, the change signature, and the change status link. Case number 1. Case number 1. The procedure to match your Indos profile photo with the live images. Now you would be asking, what are live images? So live images are actual live webcam photographs which your webcam of your laptops will be taking in real time and will be comparing the same facial verification for your e-learning and exit exam purposes. So the case 1 is only for those candidates who already have Indos profile photos but have to update live images for your e-learning and exit exam purpose. Let's know how to do that. So go to the verify profile photo and you will be able to see this. Click on start webcam, press capture image, you will capture the image, press verify and it will be verified, and you will get this particular dialog box as user is verified successfully. Only if the Indos profile photo is matching with live image, the message will be displayed on the screen as user is verified successfully. Otherwise, you have to change your Indos profile photo. Upload the same photographs of live images 3 times and you will be able to see like this. Case number 2. The case number 2 is for the procedure to upload your Indos profile photo if there is no Indos profile photo at all, or your Indos profile photo is more than 5 years old. So log in into the DGS website, go to verify profile photos and you will be able to see click here link. Just click it, go to the browse photo and upload the photo which is already there in your hard drive, and then
Click on Start Webcam. Click on Capture Image. Click on Verify. If the Windows profile photo is matching, then we will be able to see this message. User is verified successfully. Then take 3 live images. Click on Browse to upload your passport. After uploading, you will be able to see the space. Browse the passport file. Upload page 1 of your passport and it will be submitted for your verification.
Case number 3. If Windows profile photo is not at all proper, or the process of verification, or as mentioned in case 1, is not getting successful or not as per the guidelines, then only you are going to follow case number 3.
Log in your DGS website and go to Verify Profile Photo. Start the webcam, capture image, verify, and if the Windows profile is not matching, then it will come as change your photo. Then change your Windows profile photo. Once you have uploaded all the 3 photos and will tell you to upload passport page. So your passport is uploading is pending. You upload the passport in horizontal direction, page 1 only. And after you have uploaded, it will show you the relevant application is under verification process, and you can check that in check status button on the main tab. So this is how you will get the check status, your application has been submitted or under process, or you will be getting this kind of error messages in your status as well.
Case number 4 is only for updating your signature.
Go to the change signature tab on the top, upload the passport and signature,